Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up WordPress for rental investor content marketing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting wordpress.org to download the WordPress software. Choose a hosting provider that suits your needs for rental investor content marketing. Sign up for an account with your chosen hosting provider. Access the hosting control panel and locate the option to install WordPress. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, log into your WordPress dashboard using the credentials you created. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Select a suitable theme by navigating to Appearance and then Themes. Search for themes that cater to real estate or rental investments. Install and activate the theme of your choice. Customize your theme by clicking on Customize under the Appearance menu. Set your site title and tagline to reflect your rental investor focus. In the Menus section, create a navigation menu for easy access to different pages. Add essential pages such as Home, About, Services, and Contact. Install necessary plugins to enhance functionality by going to Plugins and then Add New. Search for and install SEO plugins like Yoast. Consider adding a contact form plugin to facilitate communication with potential clients. Set up social media integration plugins to connect your content to broader platforms. Start creating valuable content tailored to rental investors. Use the Posts section to publish articles related to investment tips, market trends, or property management. Optimize your posts with relevant keywords to improve search engine ranking. Include high-quality images of properties and investment areas in your posts. Regularly update your blog to keep content fresh and engaging. Monitor site analytics using a plugin like Google Analytics to track visitor behavior. Adjust your content strategy based on the insights gathered from analytics. Promote your blog through social media channels to expand your audience. Engage with your readers by responding to comments and inquiries. Create a newsletter to share updates and insights on rental investments. Stay informed about the latest trends in real estate to provide current and relevant content. Continuously refine your website by incorporating visitor feedback and analytics data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.